Everybody come along, let's sing our evening song. Ben and Speedy had so much fun, but the day is almost done. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Stomp your feet, tap, tap, tap. Smile so big, hip hooray. Let's enjoy the rest of the day. Ben and Speedy love to play, running, laughing every day. Throw the ball up to the sky, watch it bounce and watch it fly. Build a tower, stack it high, almost reaching to the sky. Oops, it tumbles to the floor. Let's build it up once more. Jump together, 1, 2, 3. Come and play along with me. Spin around and touch your toes. Everybody here now knows. Play together, laugh and smile. Let's have fun a little while. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, moving to the happy beat. Run around and count to 10, then we'll do it all again. One more game before the night. Everything is feeling right. Look around, what do we see? Toys all over. 1, 2, 3. Let's clean up nice and slow. Everything has a place to go. Blocks go in the toy box now. Can you help? We know you know how. Cars go back upon the shelf, cleaning up all by ourselves. Teddy's waiting on the bed, time to rest his sleepy head. Now the room is nice and clean, the tidiest we've ever seen. Clean together, nice and neat, working makes our day complete. Pick it up and put away, that's how we end our play. Clap your hands, great job today. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Now it's time to have our meal. Healthy food helps us feel real. Crunchy carrots, yummy peas, apples, sandwiches and cheese. Take a bite, chew it slow, growing stronger as we grow. Take a sip of water too, refreshing for me and you. Dinner's done, we feel so great. Now it's time to celebrate. Take a deep breath, in and out. Sit together on the couch. Stretch your arms up to the sky. Wave goodbye to daytime high. The sun is slowly going down, golden light around the town. Stars begin to twinkle bright. Now we're getting ready for the night. Splash, splash, bubble fun. Bath time has now begun. Wash your hands and wash your face. Bubbles floating every place. Wash your arms, wash your knees, wash your toes if you please. Splash, splash, scrub, 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 playing in the bubbly tub. Now we're clean from head to toe, drying off nice and slow. Brush, brush, brush away, keeping cavities away. Up and down, round and round, happy smiles all around. Brush the top, brush below, nice and gently, nice and slow. Sparkly teeth shining bright, ready for a cozy night. Soft pajamas, warm and bright, perfect for a cozy night. Snuggle underneath the blanket, everything is calm and quiet. Then opens a bedtime book. Come on, Speedy, take a look. Friendly animals, stars above, stories filled with joy and love. Turn the page, one by one. Now our bedtime has begun. Sleepy time is finally here. Everything is calm and clear. Moon is shining way up high. Little stars fill up the sky. Close your eyes and snuggle tight. Everything will be alright. Ben and Speedy safe and warm, dreaming till another morn. Good night, Ben. Good night, Speedy. Thank you for another happy day. Tomorrow we'll laugh, tomorrow we'll play, but now it's time to sleep. Sweet dreams, sweet